Hello, namaste, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. So, this episode is all about paneer. So, you can see I have some paneer here, I have two chopped onions, and I have three red tomatoes, some almonds, green chilies, milk, curd, and some fresh cream. So, I'm using almonds here. You can also go for cashew nuts. Cashew nuts also gives a very creamy and a nice flavor to your curry. So here are some add-ons to spice up our paneer curry. So we have turmeric here, some pepper, some coriander, some chili powder. Then we have some cumin seeds or jeera. Then we have a cinnamon, 1 inch cinnamon stick. Then we have 3 cloves, 2 cardamom, some salt for taste and some garam masala, ginger garlic paste and butter. I'm using unsalted butter. You can go for salted as well. Let's start with the dry masalas first. So I'm going to grind the almond, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, and jeera, the cumin seeds, into a very coarsely fine powder. Not very fine, I mean it's a coarse mix would be good. All right, like this, as you can see here. Now I'll add some chilies, green chilies. I'm using 4 to 5. You can go for more if you want it more spicy. Then we'll add the chopped onions, and then the chopped tomatoes. Now you see why I have chopped them in like cubes, because finally I have to grind it into a very smooth paste. So you don't have to chop them in small sizes or slices. Just chop them in big pieces and grind it to a smooth paste. So as you can see, our mixture is ready. The onion tomato mixture. It has nicely grinded. Now we'll take a pan, add some oil. I'm using refined oil here. 2 to 3 tablespoons of refined oil. Now we'll add some butter into this. Here we go. You can see the butter melting. Now once it's start melting, you just add some jeera, a half teaspoon of jeera, cumin seeds, and then just pour the mixture into this oil. Alright, give it a good stir and let this cook for a while until it releases the oil. So we'll leave it to cook. Meanwhile, let's coat the paneer with some masalas. So we'll add some salt, then some pepper powder. You can take 1/4 spoon of each. Then we'll add some chili powder and coriander powder. Little bit of turmeric powder. And finally some curd. You all must be thinking why I haven't named this recipe yet. So this is a restaurant style Shahi Paneer curry. So the paneer is coated now. And our mixture has started to cook. You can see the bubbles coming up. It's releasing the water as well. Now we'll add some ginger garlic paste here. 1/4 to half teaspoon would be enough. And give it a good mix. And leave it to cook further. Now we'll see the mixture. It's almost partially cooked. The water has evaporated. And now we'll add the curd. And keep on stirring it so that it doesn't form any curdles here. Keep it a little high flame and just continuously keep on stirring until this is cooked. Now the mixture and curd is cooked. You can see it started releasing the oil. And here we add the cream. Give it a good mix. Keep mixing at each stage whenever you add curd or cream. So this has to blend in the mixture and cook. Again, we'll stir it and leave it for some time. Now the cream also got blended with the mixture. You can see the oil coming up. Now we'll add the milk. Just pour in some milk. Give it a good stir. And here we'll add the masalas, some turmeric powder, some coriander powder, then chili powder, and half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and finally some salt, again of course as per your taste, and give it a good mix. All these masalas will blend in this creamy milky mixture. It's giving a very nice flavor. Just give a good stir, see the oil coming up, and we'll leave it to cook. Let's check the gravy. It looks so nice. Now we'll add the shredded paneer here. This will make the consistency even richer. Oh, it's giving a very nice smell. Give a good nice stir. You can see it's become thick now. The oil also started coming up. And finally, we'll add the paneer, which we have coated and kept aside. There it goes into the mixture. And it looks so beautiful. You can see the consistency because of the milk, curd, and cream. It's looking so rich. See the bubbles coming up. Just give a gentle stir to this. There you go. It looks amazing. Yeah. Let's check the paneer now. Oh, this is wonderful. Just see the oil. Here it is. And the paneer has cooked now. It's looking so creamy and it has a perfect consistency. You can see there, it's nicely blended in the curry. It's giving a very nice aroma of the milk, cream, butter, and the spices. Now, finally, I'll add some pepper powder here. If you have kasuri methi, dry fenugreek leaves, please do add that. I didn't have it, so I have included some green chopped fresh coriander leaves to garnish, and just give it a slight stir. Here we go. And we're ready to serve. So this is done. Now I'm going to take it straight into my plate. Here we go. And savor it with some hot butter rotis. Please do try this recipe at home and share your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Until we meet again, do take care of yourself. See you. Bye-bye.